Hi guys, Eugenio from Genius Crypto Learning. Sorry, I just want to apologize for not putting out anything before now. In this ecosystem, that the whole idea is that you keep learning. So I've been learning about some bots and stuff, how to build trading bots. So that's the next thing. So I will be sharing that as I go along. But I noticed something on the chart today that I definitely want to talk about. And this is just a potential scenario of where we could be going. So if we take a trend line, this is our green trend line, so this will be our support line. This is going to come from the 12th of November. It's going to go through the 6th of February over there, and we just about touch that point over there. It's a little bit closer than this. If I zoom in, you'll notice it a lot more. Okay, so if we go draw another trend line, this time we'll go draw a red one to show us resistance line. I'm going to take it from up here. It's going to cross through that point over there, and again over there. No, a little bit lower down. It's going to cross it over there. So there's 3 points over there. I have shown this method before in one of the previous videos, but what I want to do now is we're going to go and get, if we click over here, is it here? No, sorry, my bad. So yeah, we go and get a 3 drives pattern. Okay, so if we take this from there, we've got our entry point, we've got our dip. I'm going to go to this line over here where it touches, and then to over there where it just about touches, and we're on the resistance line, which brings us down, and then this takes us to roughly about about 15.2, 15.1, 15.2. Okay, I'll explain how I got to the 15.2 in a second, but this potentially is a move that Bitcoin could take. I did draw the same, I did do a chart once before where this line over here was our first wave in, up, back down, there we go, and then this is where we had that breakout. My chart ended roughly about over here, so you can see we were pretty close there, and this is potentially another one of these moves. So now you're wondering, how did I get to 15,000? Well, if I go and take a Fibonacci retracement, and I take it from the swing low on the 6th of February, and I take it up to the swing high of that move, you can see over here this lines up to be a perfect algo target at the 1618. So this matches up pretty nicely over here. The reason why I've put my line over there at 15 is because I've already measured this out and seen how it played out. So yeah, we've got this algo target. What is the potential next move that we could see from here? Well, as you can see, we've got this algo target. So if we take this chart, this fib line off, and we move over slightly, where could we be going? Go grab another fib, adds today. We take it from this point of the year up to the 15, and yeah, as you can see, we've got the golden corner pocket over here, but we've also got the 50 over here. So potentially we could see this rise all the way up to the 15 and then back down to the 50. How would that play out? Well, if we go over here and we grab an Elliott impulse wave, we could possibly see that being the one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let me actually go and make this chart darker so you can see what I'm trying to draw here. Here we go. Any minute now. There we go. Okay, so yeah, we have, let's try to, okay, so we have our Elliott, here we go. So we have our first one, which takes us up to 9938. Yes, the $10,000 mark will be full of resistance, heavy resistance all the way, which brings us back down to the 236. And then we have our third wave, which takes us to the 786. Okay, which is our 50 algo target again. Okay, which brings us to our corner pocket and then takes us to 15, just over 15. Yes, we could potentially also see this, but I really don't see that happening anytime in this wave anyway. But there is potential for us to see it tap into the 1618 line. But I'm going for this mark of the year, which, as I've said before, yeah, you can see he has this algo target at the 50. So how does that play out? Well, if we go grab a correction wave, yeah, we have our 1 taking us to the 786, back up for a slight little bounce, and then down to the 50. Yes, this might all move out a little bit further along over here, but this is a potential roadmap of where BTC could be going. The reason why I'm not so sure if this will play out is because if you look at this point over here, let me just make this a little bit lighter. If you have a look at this point over here, you can see that in order for this to play out, we require BTC to come down to this price here, and this is the 6,000. I had it originally at 6,800. And I'm sure if I had to zoom in and then play this out properly, then I can get to 6,800 a lot better. Obviously we're at 6.6 at the moment, but this is in order for this move to play out, we need to hit this mark. Now I'm not so sure if we will hit this mark, but if we do, I'm going to make sure that this is my entry point of the year, so that I can ride this impulse wave all the way up and then sell it for the correction. Anyway, what are your thoughts, guys? Please comment down below. If you think I'm talking a lot of crap, please tell me why, so that I can understand and be able to understand charts a little bit better. I believe that the collective is stronger than an individual. So if there is someone that believes that this can't play out for a specific reason, please do share